There's been a lot of talk about Isaac Asimov and his three laws of robotics on the internet lately, with some commentators calling them just dumb. So I think it only fair that we take a look at these three laws and Isaac Asimov's stories in the iRobot series to clear up a lot of misunderstandings about his three laws of robotics. Asimov first introduced his three laws in 1942 in the story Runaround. It's important to note that he did not propose the three laws as a recommendation on how to control robots. Instead, he used the three laws of robotics as a storytelling device to create thought-provoking plots around. The three laws were intended to stimulate thought in the reader about the complexities of constructing moral guidelines in autonomous systems. Each of his stories in the iRobot series deals with the failures and weaknesses of the three laws in their real-world application. In this regard, his three laws have been an undeniable success, as we are still thinking about and discussing them today, 80 years later. The story, Runaround, is set on Mercury, where a mining station has been established. The protagonists are Gregory Powell and Mike Donovan, field testers for U.S. Robots and Mechanical Men Corporation. They are tasked with restarting operations at the mining station. The central conflict arises when a robot named Speedy is sent to retrieve selenium from a pool near the station. Selenium is needed for the life support system of the station. Speedy, an advanced model robot, begins to exhibit odd behavior. Instead of returning with the selenium, it starts running in large circles around the pool. Powell and Donovan realize that Speedy is caught in a conflict between the second law of robotics, obey human orders, and the third law, protect its own existence. The selenium pool presents an unforeseen danger to the robot and freezes him in a loop of repetitive behavior. Powell and Donovan must creatively resolve the deadlock in the robot's programming. They realize that by putting themselves in danger, they can invoke the first law: a robot must not harm a human or allow a human to come to harm, which supersedes the other two laws. This breaks the looped behavior in the robot, and the engineers are able to get Speedy to complete his mission and ensure their own survival. The story illustrates the complexities and unintended consequences that can arise from programming artificial intelligence with ethical guidelines. Perhaps the greatest hurdle we face today is not the creation of artificial intelligence, but on how to imbue it with moral values and decision-making that will ensure that it is in alignment with human goals and values. Asimov would later add a fourth law of robotics: a robot may not harm humanity, or, by inaction, allow humanity to come to harm. This was another plot device that allowed the author to explore the ethical dilemmas of choosing between saving an individual and causing harm to humanity in general, or sacrificing the individual for the good of the rest of humanity. We'll delve into this fourth law in a later video. I hope you enjoyed this episode and will like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.